Listen the sound of the peace where words are whispering, the wind is blowing, and sun is on its peak and shining. When sun shine in a cold days, it gives you a lot of pleasure. It likes in a cold days when sun shines, it gives you this warmth and nature hugs you. So it's good to sit in a quiet and a peace place where you can get into you. You can dig deep inside and you can try out to meet yourself. This is not going to be easy. It will take days, weeks, months and years to meet the person inside you are. You would see the days are passing but nothing is happening. But gradually, slowly a time will come when will you hit that point where you would see I need to be come here again and over again. I need to keep it trying to come here again and over again. Only the peace and the silence and the closed eyes, no thoughts in your mind, can bring that person out to meet you, which you are from inside. You have met many people, you have given a lot of time to a lot of things. You had given time to earning money, to your family, to your dreams, for becoming something. You're given a lot of things. But you are not born here for these materialistic things only. Your real inner, your true image is something different that you have ever not seen.